Hello everyone, this is Ragav Khosla from the LastPass Solution Consulting team. Today I'm here to introduce some aspects about the LastPass MSP program that are part of the LastPass Mastery Moment series. In today's episode, we're going to discuss 5 key areas of why you as an MSP might want to consider leveraging LastPass as part of your security stack. Option number 1. LastPass MSP program is a solution that's been built with you as the MSP in mind. What I mean by that is this. First off, we have a multi-tenant interface, which quite literally means that you as the parent object, as the MSP, can provide services to your child objects, meaning managed companies. This is where your revenue streams clearly come from. In addition to that, there are admin controls that can be implemented for your support organization as the MSP that can also potentially be implemented to the end clients. In addition to that, we also offer PSA integrations. We're cognizant of the fact that Datto and ConnectWise are very prevalent in this market. And as a result of that, through our integrations, we can provide provisioning and billing synchronizations for you as the MSP towards your end clients. In addition to that, there's also the different directory integrations. If you consider that your client base likely consists of Active Directory on-prem and possibly Azure, in those different instances, the LastPass solution has been extensively deployed across those different environments. Lastly, the IUL licenses. Clearly, your organization as the MSP gains from having LastPass IUL licenses, which can be leveraged across your organization at will. Now, moving on to the next point. When we consider the market opportunity, the last couple of years have highlighted significant data breaches. Never mind the Verizon data reports, etc., suggesting 85% of breaches are caused by passwords. It's true, but nonetheless, though, these data breaches over the last 2 years really signify the actual opportunity in hand for all of us over here. And I think what's equally important here is not just the significance of the data breach and any ransomware costs associated to it, but rather the brand being tarnished in of itself. There are some pretty significant breaches, SolarWinds and other vendors that have, or companies rather, that have been impacted. And again, clearly, the tarnishing actually impacts client retention, for example. Okay, moving along. What does the LastPass solution actually address? Well, if you think about it, we've already established it starts with password management, but it also provides an on-ramp for clients, i.e. your revenue stream, to potentially implement things like single sign-on and MFA. One might ask why a client might think about leveraging SSO and MFA, and from this point, this introduces the fourth instance. When you consider identity and access management in general, and then you couple that with perhaps cyber insurance related needs, we run into clients whereby they might start with initial password management related needs, which we tend to address straight away. But then after a period of time, they pretty much learn that they also have some MFA related requirements. Perhaps it's to protect a specific device, perhaps it's protect a specific application or a user. This in of itself basically suggests that how can they actually address those issues. LastPass MSP's program gives you the ability to be able to extend these particular use cases towards your client base to initially address potential cyber insurance needs, whilst also protecting their environment and ultimately your customers. Lastly, there is an opportunity for you as the MSP to generate what I refer to as value-added services. If you think about it in any form of deployment across any of your products in your security stack, the question arises in and around, is there an opportunity for your client to receive additional training? Is there an opportunity to provide additional advanced reporting that might suggest the ROI associated to implementing a specific solution? These are all areas that are worth considering when leveraging LastPass towards your client base. Again, this is Ragav Khosla from the Solution Consulting team here. And should you have any further questions concerning this particular video and the content, please do contact your LastPass MSP sales representative and they will look to assist you further. Thank you very much.